Hey, it's Biddy Penny, and I have an Etsy restock. Now, all of the items I'm going to show you today are items that I typically sell in craft fairs. Given the current climate of things and the craft fairs that I participate in are not happening, I wanted to share them here with you and direct you over to my Etsy shop if you're interested in anything. These little journals are hand sewn. I use brand new file folders, but of course I ink them up. They look vintage. And I'm just going to show you a quick flip through. They're not huge by any means, but they have lots of pockets and they're perfect to go in your purse if you like, or they're just really a great gift. Like if you want to gift someone something that's under $10 but seems like more, and give them something handmade. They make great teacher gifts, church friend gifts, whatever. So I think I have 2 left in my shop now, and then I'm going to add 4 more. So I'm just kind of walking you through here and showing you each one is different. It's just whatever strikes me at the time. I decorate the back of some of them. This one I think is my favorite out of this new batch. So I don't even have a name for these, but these in a craft fair do very well. So I know everybody's always looking for new craft fair ideas, and this one's just one I came up with all on my own. I'm just teasing, but yeah, I did. So not to say it hasn't been done before, because we do reinvent the wheel, don't we? Even if we feel like our ideas are original. So those are the 4 little folders I have going into my shop. I have 3 new golden books going into my shop. This one's But You're a Duck. So the city where I do my craft fair, they have like a monthly fair that I take part in. Their like high school mascot and school mascot is the duck. So I made this to appeal to people with school pride. Anyways, now this one I did add a little bit of a vintage feel here. You can tell like some of the images that I added, and I know that doesn't really fit the illustration, but by the time you fill up a junk journal with your own ephemera, your writing, your pictures, things like that don't stand out so much. And so I think it works by the time, especially by the time it's actually used. And tickle me Elmo. Now this one I made sure to just keep it basic, stick to the colors. Like the pattern paper that I added perfectly matches the journal, right? And that's pretty much all I did for this one, was add some very nice and very sturdy thick cardstock, so that and here I'm showing you that I hand stitch these bindings so that the ring doesn't fall apart. Anyways, I used sturdy paper for that one because it might go to a kid. All right, so here's a Christmas one. I figured why not throw this in the shop. So yeah, this one has like a few more embellishments to it. I know I added quite a few like belly bands to it, tuck spots. I even added, like a real simple Christmas card. So it has a few more things to it. Die cut ephemera. It's just super cute. And I make these for people who, maybe you're a junk journaler, but the person you're giving a gift to is not. And this is kind of like a way of for you to share what you love with someone else. And I make it an easy to use platform so they can enjoy it too. All right, so that's the 3 golden books I have. Then up next, I have 2 little junk journals. Now these are ones that I did not make. These are ones that I had purchased in an online website, and I don't know who made them. Unfortunately, there's no indication in here, and I really don't know, but they're super sweet, and I love the fabric of this one. And I do just like how random it is, and the person who made it did stenciling and pockets, and I feel like she put a lot into a little book. So this one's just so sweet, and I wanted it to find a home because I have so many junk journals already and I make them, so I just wanted someone to be able to pick this up and use it themselves and love it, or give it to a friend, and it's just so pretty. And then the next one coming up is a blue junk journal, and so this one is also not made by me. I actually think it was made by the same person who made the purple one, if I'm not mistaken. She put 2 little fabric pockets on the front. Isn't that sweet? And she put one on the inside. And now this one is even more random, but just sweet. I think these were made in India. Again, I can't be 100% certain on that, but for some reason that's standing out to me. India or Greece? One of those. I don't know. Anyways, I'm making room in my collection. Now here, this isn't quite finished. The integrity of the book is very good. It's a hardcover book, but you could easily just put some pattern paper over that, some tape like washi tape, or you could just let it be. It's a junk journal. All right, so let's see, what do I have coming next? Oh yeah, the Traveler's Notebooks. So now these are brand new. I did not construct these. These are made by Ranger, and they have 2 just plain but very nice inserts, and then I added tassels to them. So this one has a heart and a yellow tassel, which, if you didn't know, yellow is my favorite color. And these are exactly the same on the inside, so I'm just showing you those each come with a white tassel. And they're just really great quality and brand new. And I'm selling them to you guys for a great price. Okay, so here we go. I made a bunch of luggage tags. Also, these are great for kids' backpacks. I know a lot of kids are not returning to school this year or right now, but we also used them for my daughter's dance bag. She's a ballerina, and so it was a way for us to label that. We have used them in our travels, and they're great because your information, you write it on the inside with a Sharpie, and people can't just see you walking around, especially for kids. I don't like my kids' names being on their backpacks or luggage, especially when we're traveling, because someone could call them by name and throw them off, right? They're already disoriented. So I like that it can be private. And then you just write in there on a Sharpie, and then you can clean it off with like a little bit of like hand sanitizer or alcohol or whatever. And if your address changes or phone number, or you just want to rewrite it. So I think that's really cool. I always sell these in the craft fair, and again, they do great. I like to have things at different price points. These I price at $2, and I have no problem selling them. So I just thought I would throw some in my Etsy shop. I'm showing you everything I have in stock, but obviously I'm not going to list all these at once. If you see something here and you're like, I want one particular one, and you can describe it to me, I will create a listing for you. But I'm just going to randomly select a couple and throw them in my Etsy shop and see how they do. Again, I'm just going through my craft fair stuff because the craft fairs aren't happening, and I'm trying to get some of this stuff into other people's hands. All right, I have a couple of free gifts. These are some bookmarks. I only have these 3 left over. They did really great last Christmas, and these are the 3 I have left over. So I'm going to throw those in as a free gift. Thanks for watching. Thanks for shopping Bitty Penny. Have a great day.